Contenders Optic basketballs, as well as a Panini 1-in-1 basketball. All right, Zane, let's do it. Good luck. Thank you as always. Appreciate you. Here we go. First for my Orlando Magic, we got Markelle Fultz. Mr. Fultz. Up next, we've got a silver for the Sixers, Seth Curry. Nice, Curry. We've got a red color match for the Hawks, a DeAndre Hunter. Nice. And next up, rookie for the Golden State Warriors, 24 of 99, up and coming, James Wiseman. Boom! There you go, Zane. Sick one there. Up and coming rookie, James Wiseman. Congrats on that. I will get this mag for you. Nice, Wiseman. There you go. Then we've got team tandem for the Celtics, Tatum and Brown. Jason Tatum and Jaylen Brown. Then we've got, this one's probably my favorite pick and roll insert. Pick and roll for the Miami Heat. We've got Dwayne Wade and LeBron James. LeBron James. Nice pick and roll insert. Yeah, that's definitely my favorite. I'm not big on LeBron whatsoever, but I loved watching him play with D Wade. All right. Very nice first box there for you, Zane. Now on the number 2. Let's see. Let's get another big rookie auto out of this. Or a nice vet. Sounds good, Boombox. So I've got a 1-in-1, and then I've got 2 Star Wars Chrome. So I would say about 20 minutes. About 20 minutes on the Dynasty. All right, up first, we got a little drumming action for the Lakes, the Lake Crew. And there you go. Up next, we've got, for the Pacers, a little Sabonis. Domantas Sabonis. Nice. Are you nice, Zane? There you go. Sounds good, Boombox. Thank you. We've got a silver for the Bucks, Chris Middleton.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Nice, Middleton. Then up next, we've got for the Pistons, out of 99, we've got a Isaiah Stewart red. Nice little color match there on the red with the Pistons. Nice Isaiah Stewart. A lot of people liked him for standing up to Bron. Man, I about died when he I rewatched it because I didn't see it live. They finally got him to walk towards the locker room. He just takes off and trying to run around to the other side. That was funny. This man don't play. Nice one there for you, Zane, out of 99. And we've got playing the numbers game. Man, nice. Another Wiseman. 25 points, rookie, Golden State. James Wiseman. And last card for you, we've got another nice one. Red cracked ice. Magic Johnson and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar pick and roll. There you go. Classic one there for the Lakers. Those were 2 very nice boxes of Optic there for you, Zane. All right, here we go. Time for the 1-in-1. Good luck, Zane. Let's pull a monster. Let's pull a monster. Good luck. Empty. Up first for the Celtics. 19 out of 99. We've got a Jaylen Brown. It's your second Jaylen. I think you got the what was it, Team Tandem? It's a tongue twister. Jaylen Brown to 99. Great timing, Junior, yeah. All right, and for your auto, let's see, who do we have? For the Hawks, what is this? We have Prime 10 out of 25 Onyeka Okongwu rookie auto. There you go. Nice red there. Or I'm sorry, that's 18 out of 25, not 10. 18 of 25 Okongwu. It's a nice looking patch too. To 25. Prime autos. All right, congrats on that. Congrats on those hits, Zane. Thanks again. We'll get this right out to you.